In this video, I'm going to speak about encryption at host support, which is now available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.7. This is a useful feature to allow for enhanced security for your session hosts within your environment by using either platform managed keys, so Azure managed keys, or customer managed keys for your desktop encryption. In order to configure this, navigate to the properties of a host pool, VM deployment, and you'll see the new Enable Encryption at Host tick box. And if you want to find out more details about encryption at host support, we offer a link directly through to the Microsoft site. To enable encryption at host support, simply tick the Enable Encryption at Host tick box, and you'll see that the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise console will assess your environment to ensure that you have the required features enabled for your subscription. And helpfully, if you do not have those features enabled, it will give you the option to register those features. So in this instance, we currently don't have the encryption at host feature for Microsoft Compute enabled, so we simply need to click register to enable that. You'll require a global administrator account or a subscription owner account to perform this activity. You can check that the feature is registered in your subscription by running the AZ feature show -- namespace microsoft.compute -- name encryption at host command, which, as you can see in this environment currently, shows as registering. And you can see that rerunning this command after some time, usually around 10 minutes, shows that the feature is now fully registered and available for use. So back to the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise console then. We can see that we're no longer seeing the warning error when we enable encryption at host support. And by default, we are allowing the use of platform managed keys. So this would be Azure managing your keys on your behalf. However, we do also support the use of customer managed keys in the form of disk encryption sets. If you have a disk encryption set in your environment, and you can select this at this point, and any new VMs that are created in this pool will use the specified disk encryption set. This must be within the same geographical region as the hosts being created. You can then save and close. And that has changed the configuration on your VM deployment settings. That means that whenever you create a new VM associated with this host pool, it will inherit these settings and use the specified disk encryption method to deploy. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we will see you again.